Hello guys. In this video, we are going to give you an impartial review when we are covering 5 best shower valve sets in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is Moen T2151BN Brantford Posi-Temp Pressure Balancing Traditional Tub and Shower Valve. The Moen T2151BN Brantford Pressure Balancing Tub and Shower Valve is the ideal choice for those who appreciate state-of-the-art water technology in a classical and timeless look. Its brushed nickel and oil-rubbed bronze finishes create a warm, inviting, and elegant look that will make your shower seem more like a high-class spa. For those who take their bathroom time seriously and wish to choose a manufacturer that makes showering appliances keeping safety and comfort in mind, the Moen Brantford valve is the ideal choice. Number 2. Our second best pick is Grohe 1446800 Concetto Pressure Balance Valve Trim. The Grohe 1446800 Concetto Balance Valve Trim reunites the best of both worlds when it comes to offering you the latest water pressure technology and the most modern, clean and sharp-looking design. When it comes to offering the most enjoyable showering results and accuracy, the Grohe Concetto has one, not-so-secret key, and that is the use of ceramic components. An additional advantage of the Grohe Concetto includes the built-in check valves made in such a way that they eliminate all crossflows. All in all, there is no way of getting things wrong with the Grohe, both engineering and design-wise. Number 3. Our third best pick is Kohler TS120214CP Fairfax Right Temp Valve Trim with Lever Handle. The Kohler TS120214CP Fairfax Right Temp Valve Trim with Lever Handle is ideal for those who want maximum comfort and control when taking a shower. If you know what a shower system working smoothly means, then this valve model is for you, seeing it features an ADA complaint handle lever that makes manipulating pressure and temperature as easy as it could get due to a state-of-the-art diaphragm technology. And there's more, as the Kohler TS120214CP Fairfax packs great power, precision and safety in a quite compact and unpretentious design, meaning it's the perfect choice for all those who are looking to keep things simple and at the same time running perfectly when in the shower. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Kohler TS981474CP Right Temp Valve Trim with Lever Handle. The Kohler TS981474CP Valve Trim with Lever Handle caters to those who want to make their showering experience more enjoyable. It comes with a lever handle and a faceplate that is fully ADA compliant. As far as comfort and safety are concerned, the Kohler TS981474CP valve with lever handle offers you the best temperature regulation for maximum comfort and pleasure while also keeping you safe with its automatic anti-scald protection system. The Kohler TS981474CP valve with lever handle packs great power, precision and safety in a pretty small and unassuming design, making it the ideal choice for all those who want to keep things simple when showering. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is Kohler T727704CP Artifacts Transfer Valve Trim with Lever Handle. The Kohler T727704CP Artifact Transfer Valve Trim with Lever Handle takes your showering game to a whole new level with its masterpiece of water engineering that is the patented K-joint installation. This will ensure that you get an equal trim appearance no matter the variations and fluctuations in the valve rough-in. The model features an ergonomic lever handle that is fully ADA compliant and makes manipulating both pressure and temperature as easy as possible due to an advanced diaphragm technology. The Kohler T727704CP is built with comfort and reliability in mind. It brings into your shower the best kind of temperature control that will help you have a stress-free cleaning experience. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.